and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve all tetrapod puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The all tetrapod puzzle was made of two different types of wood, Venge and Paduk. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 8 parts inside the frame in such a way that the huge opening on the front side will be covered and there will be no gaps or sticking out parts. And that will be quite a challenge to do, since this puzzle has 8 parts and the shape of these parts might look familiar to you, since all of them are made of 4 voxels. And at the first glance you may say that it is easy, I know these parts and I know how to put them together, but it's much more challenging than you expect. You have to figure out the way how to put parts inside, and not all the parts will be just easy to put it inside. Some moves will be quite complicated, and the correct order of parts is very important as well. If you like the all tetrapod puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. Now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, I'll start with the shape of the assembled parts, and that will be like this. I have to do that since it will help me to put all parts inside the frame later. So it will be like this, and the last piece will be on top. That's it. There are other possible combinations how you can assemble all parts into this shape, but none of them will let you put all these parts inside the frame. Now I will be imagining that these parts are inside the frame, and I will be removing them. So first goes this piece, then I can remove this part, then this part, and I'm doing it these moves so that it will be a little bit easier for me to put parts inside, since I have to figure out which piece I have to put first. Then I can remove this piece and this piece. Then I can move this here and remove, and I have 2 parts left. I have to put this piece inside first. So it goes like this. This corner piece goes inside here, then this long piece goes inside and right there. Next I can grab this piece, put it inside right here. The next part, this one, it will fit right in this part of the frame. I have 4 parts left, and I think that I'm gonna start with this. Oh, already, as you can see, I made a mistake. I had to put this piece first. That's what I told you, that the order, how you put parts inside, is very important here. Otherwise, you will have to solve it twice. Okay, this goes here. Then I can put this part in. This goes on top. I have a couple of parts left. If I put this first, then I will not be able to put this piece. So this goes first, then this piece goes on top, and the last part goes right in here. And the puzzle is solved. As you can see, not so easy as you can expect. And since the puzzle is solved only when it's solved both ways, I will show you how to remove parts. So this square piece goes first, then you can move this part up and remove it, then this piece goes up and remove it. Next to the frame, you will see that 2 parts are moving towards yourself. You can remove this piece, then this part, then you can remove this piece from the corner. Some moves are better to do when you flip the frame upside down. Then the large piece, the tall one, and then the last piece you can remove, the corner one, and the puzzle is solved both ways. So that was the solution of quite complicated all tetrapod puzzle. It is something new, a new design from Asanori Yamamoto, since usually we see 3x3x3 cubes designed by Asanori Yamamoto, but this time we have a different shape and it's quite an interesting and challenging puzzle to solve. If you like all tetrapod puzzle and you wanna try some other great designs by Asanori Yamamoto or puzzles made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.